What's up, runners? My name is Veronica. I'll be your coach today, and welcome back to Basixx Running. Today, we're going to do a beginner interval workout. We're going to do 5 different intervals, so it's going to be a quick workout, so I want you to get your focus ready to go. We're going to get started with a brisk walk for our warm-up here, anywhere from that 2.5 to 4.0 range. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're going to be here for 30 seconds, and then we're going to get right into that run. So I want you to take a couple deep breaths in, slow exhale, refocus yourself, and think about what that intention is going to be for your workout today. Over here on my right, you can always see what speed we're at, what incline we're at, what's going on with the workout or the interval. If you look over on my left, you'll see the progression of the workout as we go. So we're going to get started right into that run here, anywhere from a 4.5 to a 6.5 range. In 3, 2, 1, let's pick up that speed here. So like I said before, we're going to do 5 interval runs. Now, the time for each interval is going to change. We're going to start a little bit longer and then make them shorter and then go back to long again. So as we cycle through those different durations, I want you to work on that speed and make sure that you are pushing yourself hard with each interval, because we know after that interval, you're going to get that recovery run. So during that time, let's work really hard. We got 1 more minute here before we go into that first run. If you want to make this run feel a little bit more natural, like you're running outside, I suggest putting that incline up anywhere from a 0.5 to a 1.0. I like to be at a 1.0. Nice deep breaths in. That first run, we're going to be anywhere from that 5.5 to 7.5 range. Take a nice, another big deep breath in. Slow exhale. Let's work on that form. Relax those shoulders. Like I said, think of that intention. You got 30 more seconds here before we get started. Here we go. Nice and relaxed with those shoulders. Make sure those arms are swinging forward. During this warm up and this run, I like to kind of think about my form a little bit so that when I get into the hard run, I can really just focus on that rhythm. All right, so again, that first run, we're going to go for 2 minutes here. 5.5 to 7.5 in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hit that speed up. Good. As that treadmill picks up, right, our stride might start to open up because we want to make sure we're hitting hard through the ground, right? Every time my foot hits that treadmill, I want to push and extend out the back and then swing my heels through, right? I don't want my heel coming up behind me. I want it coming through so I can continue with that cycle. Good. Open that up. I know that treadmill's moving for you, so you think, oh, I just have to pick up my feet, but I want you to apply that power into the ground. Commit to this workout today. Good, nice deep breath in. First interval here. Remember, it's only 5, so it's gonna go quick. So I want you to take advantage of each opportunity, each interval you have, and commit to each run. Excellent, you're coming up on 1 minute in, you got 1 more minute to go. Excellent job, Basixx, come on. Find your rhythm, right? Every runner, they have their rhythm. As you pick up speed, that rhythm might change a little bit. But I want you to make sure that you're always evenly pressing down with both feet. Nice and smooth, runners, here we go, come on. Excellent. Keep that breathing even. Everything about running is rhythmic. 30 seconds of breathing is rhythmic. The arm movements are rhythmic. Your cycle is rhythmic. Hitting that ground, that sound on the treadmill, rhythmic. 20 seconds, come on. Good. And then you go into that recovery run. So we're going to keep ourselves moving, active recovery, but we're going to bring down that speed a little bit. Here we go. Anywhere from a 4.5 to 6.5 in 3, 2, 1. Take down that speed. Good. You should still be jogging. I don't want you at a walking pace. I want you to still keep yourself moving. Be light on those feet. We're here for a minute and a half. All right, that second interval. We're going to take that time down a little bit. So you're going to be at a minute and a half for that second run. Now, I'm giving you a range for all these intervals. So what I want you to focus on doing is pushing through that range, right? What speed were you at that first one? What can you do differently for the second one? Remember that time is going down. So I want you to push that tempo a little bit. There we go. I want you to push your limit a little bit. If we always stay inside our little comfort zone, we never grow out of it. We can never improve. Get out of that comfort zone a little bit. Excellent job, runners. You got about 30 more seconds left of this recovery, and then we're getting right back into that second run. All right, that speed range is going to stay the same for this run, but your speed is going to change, right? 20 seconds here. Excellent job, runners. Take a nice deep breath in. Slow exhale, number 2 is coming up. 5.5 to 7.5. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hit that speed. Pick it up here. Come on. Minute and a half. It's going to feel a lot quicker than that first interval. So don't be scared of that plus sign on that speed button. You're here to improve yourself. Intervals, right? That's meant to pick up that heart rate during that hard run, and it's meant to have you collect yourself during that recovery run. So let's make sure we're picking it up. We're bringing up that heart rate and we're working hard during that interval here. Excellent job, runners. 1 more minute. You got this. Stay with me. Find that rhythm. That's what I want you thinking of through this whole workout. Your rhythm. Excellent job. That's exactly what I want. Right there. Think about being active with those feet. Don't just shuffle. Don't just swing from the hips. Think of that cycle, right? Stepping over your ankle, pushing through that treadmill, extend out through the back, and use that core to stabilize you. Contract that rib cage. Bring the belly button in. You got this, runners. Under 30 seconds, finish out interval number 2. Come on. There we go. You're doing such an awesome job here. 15 seconds, and then we go back to that recovery. Good, nice deep breaths. Control that breathing. Push it all the way to the end, coming down to 4.5 to 6.5 in 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Recovery. Awesome job. If you ever need a sip of water through these workouts, feel free to do that during that recovery time, right? Because during those intervals, I want you to go, 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 all in. Here we go. We're coming to the peak. Here we go. Number 3. Right, number 3, we're dropping that time down again. So instead of a minute and a half, we're coming down to a straight minute. All right, that's gonna feel super quick compared to that first one that you did for 2 minutes. So remember, we're giving you that range for that interval, which means it's up to you to choose what speed is going to push you and bring up that heart rate and challenge you. Excellent job, runners. Nice deep breaths in. Good. You got 45 more seconds here before we go into our third run. Remember, this whole workout, it's quick. It's about 17 minutes long. All right? It's going to go super fast, so I want you really taking advantage of these opportunities. So this next run, get yourself focused, mind and body together. We're going to hit this next one really well. All right? Same range, but you choose that speed. 15 seconds, we're going back to 5.5 to 7.5 for 60 seconds only, runners. Are you ready? Come on. Get pumped. Think of that number in your head. What are you going to hit? We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit that speed. Come on. It's only 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Let's stay smooth as you start picking up speed, right? You might feel that fatigue sooner than you did last time. That's okay. That means you're pushing outside of that comfort zone. That means you're working hard. I want you to work hard. I want you to go for it. Good. Just stay relaxed, stay smooth. Hold on to that form. Squeeze that core in nice and tight, right? Let that torso be your guide. Bringing it all in together. Let everything else be relaxed. 30 seconds. Come on. Stay with me, runners. You know that recovery is coming, right? So this is the hard working rep. Let's go. 20, come on, countdown starting, let's go. That's it, runners. Breathe, hold that form, stay tall with me, 10 seconds, and then you bring it back down to that recovery pace. Let's go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take it off. Good, keep it jogging, keep it moving here. Runners, You are over halfway. We have 2 more intervals, all right? 2 more. Such an awesome job. I'm telling you, these workouts, they're great. They're short and quick. It gives you that really great hard workout, that good sweat. It elevates your mood, makes you feel awesome, and before you know it, it's over, right? That's why I said in the beginning of this workout, I really want you to take advantage of each interval. Don't just think, okay, the last one, I'll go all in. No, go all in for each one. Don't worry about how many more you have to do. Just worry about that one that you're doing right now. So right now, we're gonna go into that 4th interval, all right? And we're bringing that time back up. That duration is increasing. So we're gonna go back to 1.5 minutes, all right? Again, range stays the same, but you don't stay the same, all right? You change yourself. You get that mindset ready. 30 seconds, runners. And then number 4, 1.5 minutes, that's your only thought, is to get through 1.5 minutes. Excellent job. 15 seconds, anywhere from that 5.5 to 7.5 range. Excellent job. Here we go, runners. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Let's bring up that speed. Come on. Pick it up here. Pick that body up nice and tall. Be smooth. I want you to be light on your feet, right? We're not slapping that treadmill. We're not slapping the ground. Be smooth with that running. Be in control of your movement while also pushing it to that limit. There we go, runners. If you're feeling comfortable, I want you to hit that plus sign. Always. We want to be uncomfortable during those intervals. So I want you to become comfortable with that feeling of being uncomfortable. I want you to learn what it's like to truly commit yourself, to get yourself to that next level. That's why we're here, right? To get ourselves to that next level, to improve ourselves, to sweat it out, to de-stress. Whatever it is, whatever that goal is for you, I want you to hone into it right now. Stay strong with me. There we go. Come on. Don't be scared of that speed button. You want to increase it? Increase it. 30 seconds, runners. Excellent job. Keep it going. Where's that rhythm? Drop those shoulders. Don't let them sneak up. Stay up tall and proud. Good. Cycle those legs. Always focusing on that form. Come on, we're right here at the end. 10 seconds. Finish it out. Stay with me. Back to recovery in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it off. There we go. Runners, amazing job. Amazing job. Here we go. You have 1 more left. This is number 5. All right? We're bringing that duration back up to 2, just like you started. But did you know that right now you are stronger than you were when you did round number 1? You have improved your fitness already. So in this last one, we're bumping that range up by 0.1. All right, don't freak out. 0.1. So that range is going to be 5.6 to 7.6. And I want you to bump up at least +1. I want you to go all in. This is the last interval. Then you recover and we're out of here, right? Super quick workout. Make this your interval. Make this the interval that you had a turning point in your training. Come on. Beginner interval workout. Next step for you is going to be intermediate. We got 30 more seconds and then that last one. All right. What are you going to do to fully be committed to it? To be all in? Think about it. Get ready for it in 20 seconds, runners. What speed are you going for? Excellent. I know you're thinking about it. You're focused for it. 10 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit that speed. Hit that speed and don't think about it again. All right? Instead, find your rhythm. That was our goal today. Think about the rhythm and commit to it. So rhythmic in that breathing. Rhythmic in the arms. Rhythmic with that cycle. Bring that form all together here. Stay smooth. Stare straight ahead. Don't look at that timer. That's why you got me. Don't worry about that speed now. You chose it. I want you to stick to it. All right? Commit to that speed right here. 1.5 minutes to go. Come on. You're doing so awesome, runners. This is the last one. There's no reason to slow down. No reason to stop. All the way to the finish line here. There we go. Breathe. Fight for it. That's what we need to do in life. When you want to improve yourself, you have to fight for it. When you want something bad enough, you have to fight for it. 60 seconds, runners. Things aren't just going to fall into your lap. You're not just going to get fit by not pushing yourself, by not challenging yourself. These are the changes you need to make. Stay here with me. Come on, 45 seconds. Let's go. That's it, runners. Excellent. Stay tall. Stay tall with me. You're almost there. Excellent. Don't think about anything except crushing this final 30 seconds. Crush it. You feel good? Hit that plus sign. Why not? Here we go, runners. Come on, 20 seconds. That's it. You can do this. Come on. Stay with me. Right at the end, your final 10. Go for it. Stay tall. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to that recovery. 4.5 to 6.5. Quick little finish jog right here for 30 seconds. Runners, you did it. That's awesome. Stay here. You want to slowly bring that heart rate down. Excellent. 15 more seconds here, and then we'll bring it back to that brisk walking pace. Excellent. There we go, runners. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to that walk. Anywhere from 2 to 4. Don't hold on to those handles. Stay tall with me. We're just here for a minute. Stay nice and smooth. Good. We're just slowly bringing that heart rate down, right? This is what those interval workouts do for you. They're fast. Each of those intervals are meant to challenge you and have you increase that speed longer than you would do if you were just going out for a jog, or faster than what you would do if you were going out for a jog, right? That's what's helping you improve that longer duration or that speed that you're trying to hit. So I want you to push hard in those intervals. I want you to just go for it. And even if at the end of that interval, when I say 1 and you go into that recovery run and you're panting and you're breathing heavy, that's good. Don't worry, because that recovery run is going to prepare you in enough time to hit that next one. So I want you to think about that, runners, before we go into that next interval run together. All right, awesome job. Take another big deep breath in. Slow exhale here. You got 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want to keep walking, feel free. If you want to do some stretches afterward, please feel free to do that, or keep jogging, keep moving. Awesome job. Thank you so much for tuning in for our beginner interval run. I'll see you next time on Ibex Running.